talk to your advisor about that. I'm not sure you can use these note cards. You can use note cards in your round tables. Your grade,
No.
8th graders don't use note cards anymore? Okay, talk to your advisor about that mistake. Anybody else need note cards to copy this down? So this is on word level,
Give me so much.
and this is paragraph level.
What's that word of?
Word level, yeah,
And paragraph.
paragraph level.
What is the acronym of?
ARMS,
Yeah.
ARMS.
No, you said it's the acronym of.
Oh yeah, this is the paragraph level, the step is revise. When you revise, you're doing all of these things. This is the word level, the step that you're on is edit. When you edit, you are doing all of these things.
What was the first one?
That's BP Dre. That's the writing process. Okay, I'll give you about 2-3 minutes to write this stuff down. And then somebody asked for me to clarify again, so I'm going to take it for the entire group. When you are editing your paper, this is the final step of BP Tray. You are looking for things like, is your spelling correct? Have you capitalized the words that needed to be capitalized? Do I have punctuation in all of the right places, right? You're looking for these technical things on the word level, right? Diego, you asked this question, so I need you to follow along, okay? On the word level. Everybody, I need you to look up, because I'm going to explain this one more time. So when you're editing your paper, you're on the final step. You are checking everything, every single word you have on the paper. Do you have punctuation where it should be? Is the word spelled correctly? Is it capitalized, right? When you are revising, you are actually checking the content, the ideas you have on the paper, right? So it's not so much, you don't care about the spelling and the punctuation right now. You need to make sure, did I write everything I need to write down in my paper, okay? Which is why you can add words, you can add paragraphs, you can remove words, you can remove paragraphs. Sometimes when you're revising, I give you feedback and I said, this phrasing is awkward. So what do you have to do if I give you a feedback that's like, this phrasing is awkward? Yeah, you can move it around. You can move around the words. How do I make it make more sense? Okay, maybe you take it from the beginning of the paragraph and put it at the end. Maybe it's a better conclusion sentence. Can I help you with something? You have a question? What's your question?
What is the